Startup India Initiative. What is Startup India Initiative? The startup condition criteria. An entity needs satisfy following conditions to consider as a startup to avail the benefits of government scheme. So, what are the scheme? The entity shall consider a startup for up to 10 years from the date of incorporation. So, what is startup? I want just creating a company. That is startup company. Up to what, 10 years from incorporation of the company. Oh, if incorporated as a private limited company, a partnership forms a limited liability partnership. So what else? So only company or no? Private company can also be a startup. Partnership firm can be a startup. LLP also very. Turnover of this financial year since incorporated does not exceed 100 crores. From the financial year when incorporated, the turnover should not cross 100 crores. When it crosses 100 crores, it's not startup. Okay. Entity is working towards innovation, development, and improvement of product and services. If it is scalable business with high potential of employment generation and wealth creation. So what is the meaning of the intercar? First, it should be innovation. புதுசா கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஏதாவது new thing should be coming up. Or something that should be development from the old thing. Or it should be improvement of products also. It helps to already a processor taken 4 hours, it should be reduced in 3 hours, 2 hours, whatever it be that. The same time, it should create high employment. If it create high employment, goods and wealth creation for the country to have value addition. Not consider startup what the entity formed by splitting up or restructuring of existing businesses. Not consider a startup. Yeah, I have a company. I want to break this and start a new company. Is this a company startup? No. How would you say break up? I from this asset from this company is taken to this asset and you do. No, it should be a new asset, new building, new place, new owner. Such a kind of things are required. If this means that is a startup India initiative.